Today I will be showing how to make a slab with ultralight extra strength cement with the materials that I provide in the kit. First of all, let's discuss the materials. The kit comes with a 15-inch by 12-inch piece of mesh. This will serve as the backbone for the slab, and this is what we will sculpt as the backbone in the shape that we want. Second, it comes with a bag of 2 liters of white Portland cement and another bag of 2 liters of Poraver glass microbeads in the 0.25 to 0.5 millimeters granulometry. This will be mixed 1:1 with this. So the first step will be to mix these two things. Next, the fibers to mix on the concrete to increase the strength further still. We have 2 powder pigments. In this case I chose ash and straw, and the sealer, concrete sealer. The pigments we can mix together with the cement, or we can apply at the end. One of the ways to apply it at the end is with a piece of sponge. You will also need a tool to cut the mesh if you desire to cut it, but you can simply bend it and smash it to the shape you want. Of course, you will need water and gloves and paper and a source of water. I'm here in my garage and I have a hose. So we mix the 2 dry components and the fiber and half of the base ash pigment. This is our master mixture, and we will use it to produce concrete by mixing water in it as we need. The moment that we mix water, the clock starts ticking and it's hardening, so we do it in batches. For the fiber, I just spread it as much as possible with my fingers and disperse it and mix everything together. Now let's build the scaffold. We will start with mixing the first batch of concrete and doing a base layer over the entire structure and let it dry. I'm grabbing perhaps 1.5 liters to 2 liters of this. Our master mixture stays to the side. This one is the one we'll add water and mix and use to start coating the structure. The least water you can add, the better. We want the consistency of a pizza dough and not the consistency of pancakes. So we add a little bit of water and we start mixing. A little bit of water and mixing. If it happens that as you work with your concrete, the mixture that is in here may still be a little hard. This is the mixture that we want. It stays in shape, but it's still malleable. It could be a little bit drier as well, but like this is okay. And now it's completely mixed. So now I'm ready to start applying. I'll leave this now to dry for at least 12 hours, I would say. And this is it for now. So it is 12 hours later, the morning after. So this is how it looks now. And this is the bottom side that we didn't have much access to. So I already prepared a new batch of cement, which is half of what was left. So I used the first half of the 4 liters for this, so about 2 liters here. And I did 1 more liter now, and the final 1 liter will be to create details. Simply covering all these details wherever we see defects or holes. So I'm just sort of filling the gaps. I'm mixing my cement so I keep it workable. And so far I used perhaps half of what I prepared. So here what I'm doing is just adding layers to the edges, because this is what will give us material to be able to sculpt. The only consideration that I'm having is that the inside edge doesn't have gaps, so I'm flattening the inside. So this is it for now. Now we will start first of all with 50 grit sandpaper, smoothing everything. Some bits will break, and that's fine. Now for the final step, I will apply the first coat of sealer, mixing it. This is the Behr low lustre sealer for concrete, brick and tile. So I will be dropping drops everywhere. And we want to use 1/4 of the amount on each side each time. We'll have 2 applications, and I suggest to be careful when you apply, because it will smear some of the dark colors over the light ones. And this we will let dry and come back for the final coat. This is the final result after the 2 layers of sealer. This can be used like this or like this. I hope you find this video informative, and the future for concrete vessels in bonsai is only beginning to be explored. Thank you for watching, and until the next one, bye bye for now.